Hi, my name is Mike from Horsepower Motorworks, and we currently did some repair work on a 1968 Baldwin Motion Replica Corvette. It entailed a lot of structural repairs to the back tail, some cosmetic repairs to the hood, lower fenders, lower portions of the front fender and spoilers. The thing that made the cars more challenging to do was the striping that was laid out throughout the car. And we thought of a couple different ways to try to do that. And I think finally what happened was I ended up painting over the stripes completely and relayed them myself and put the yellow on the car, remasked for the striping, put the black down, and then clear coated the car. It was a time-consuming project to get the striping on the car so it looked right. So a lot of it was more striping and laying out lines than anything else. I'm happy with the car. Cars came out pretty good.